Technically, it's easy to make. Onigiri is very simple, but my product is different. Yeah.
My daughter is totally obsessed with the
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm so appreciative. Thank you. So nice. I'm eating onigiri every day. I'm thinking onigiri every day, all day long, all the night, even in my dream. I'm Sayuri Oyamada, owner and maker of Oyamada Onigiri, based in New York City. Rice is very important for making onigiri. So this is a high quality Japanese rice. It's short grain. Always using the short grain. You can see the individual ingredients also.
And the individual rice.
Individual rice and seaweed.
Smile.
When I was a child, my mom and the grandmoms always cooking the Japanese food. And then they told me how to make Japanese food. This is umeboshi. It's very sour and salty. Very traditional Japanese ingredients for onigiri. Yeah, it's like a pickles. Yeah, it's pickles.
It's pickled.
It's pickled. So my countryside, Niigata Prefecture, it's the most popular in Japan. The Niigata rice is very popular in Japan. It's a nice, high quality rice. It's good for the making onigiri. First step is washing rice. The most important thing is water, and then you can see the binchotan. That we call the charcoal. So observe the impurities from the tap water. It's totally different, more pure. It's clean. It's in the bottom. We can see the binchotan. Water is the most important thing. It's most important thing. Of course, it's quality of rice. So basically, onigiri is traditional Japanese onigiri. It's like rice and ingredients is put inside and covered rice and wrapped with seaweed. It's kind of a soul food. Rice is very delicate, so
You want to be very gentle.
yes, have to be gentle. Washing the 6 or 7 times, change the water. One of my biggest motivation is it's creating something new. Onigiri is like my babies. Mostly my flavor is very, so mixing some it's tradition and new. It's like a New York style and also Japanese tradition. And then more special. And this, I established the food companies in the middle of the pandemic. Okay, 10 cups. That times everyone struggle and financially, economically, and emotionally. I was suffer many difficulties and also fear that time because I couldn't return to Japan and also I couldn't travel. I was very sad and stressful. So that's all. Meantime, I was cooking the Japanese food, only Japanese food, every day. first bite is important. This is spicy takana. Takana, it's spicy, and takana is Japanese mustard. So usually, it's most of the onigiri, its ingredients it's just only center, like this, and then covered. But I'm always teaching to the more like a sandwich. And then first bite is here. It was very helped heal my soul, and also mind. I realized how important it's to focus on what we eat in order to live a healthy life.
To heal yourself.
Yeah. And also I wanted to heal to someone. That's why I decided to making onigiri. The last is salt. The one rice bowl is 100 grams of rice. This is a perfect shape. Onigiri is very healthy. So for example, the salmon with yuzu and kale mixed miso, and also seaweed with cream cheese. That's good matching. That flavor is good, and also avocado and the shiso it's perfect combination. That is like a chemistry. I had fun. It's creating and then developing the onigiri flavors. That is my fun time. Yeah, my passion. Basically, we are using water a lot. My finger is always wet. Actually, I'm not chef. I'm actress in Japan in the film industry and also TV commercial. I got lucky because the customers buying a lot, and then every day sold out. And then grocery store also surprised. So we make and delivering every morning to the grocery stores fresh onigiris.
You make this?
Yes, vegan. Most of it vegan. It's still warm. And then this one is quite a new flavor. Yeah, customers said it's very delicious, and also they know its quality of rice. And also umeboshi is quite famous. American people like this. But I feel now it's become popular more than before. The onigiri is more popular more than before. I feel something. And also, we started to the catering service. So I decorate to the modern and Japanese style. That moment I had so much fun. I think I become more stronger. When I was in Japan, I just actress. I was just actress. That is very fun. Also a little bit scared, but it's really enjoy now. I hope you try Oyamada Onigiri. Oyamada Japan is borderless. It's for all.
Yay!
And crispy and fresh. And then take up that side. 3.
That's it for this episode of Food Curated. I'm Liza DeGia. Be sure to connect with us on social media and eat more stories. I'll see you next week.